95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we have another technical analysis on Verge here, except this time it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to be doing it to BTC instead of the USD, as requested by one of our subscribers. So let's get straight to it. Verge is currently up about 7% when we're comparing it to the BTC value, up about almost 5% for the day. Really quick though, guys, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap sitting at 249 billion. Today's volume 10 billion. Bitcoin dominance at 45.1. Bitcoin down 2% for the day, guys, sitting just below 6,700. Ethereum also down 2, Ripple down 4, Bitcoin Cash down 4. I believe there's a hard fork coming out for Bitcoin Cash May 15th, I want to say. Don't quote me on that. Litecoin down 4, Cardano down almost 2, Lumen's down 1, Neo down 4, IOTA down almost 4, Monero down almost 6, Dash almost down 5. Wow. Let me see. Big winners today. Electra, don't know what that is, up 27. Bitcoin Diamond up 17. Diner Coin up 15. Don't know what that one is. Boss Coin up 13. Elastos up 12. Don't know what that is either. Verge, our coin of the day, 5% in USD value, about 8%, almost 7% in BTC value. Market cap sitting at 848 million. Today's volume is 72 million. Circulating supply here, guys, 14.8 billion. Max supply here is 16.5 billion. Major exchanges: Binance, Bittrex, Upbit, HitBTC, Cryptopia, and South Exchange and Trade Satoshi looks like are the major exchanges there. Really quick though, guys, go ahead and look at some price action here. Still kind of waiting for this to play out. Bitcoin still looking bearish. Expecting this to hit about 5,000. If we do get that bounce off the 5,000, that's going to be touching our major support here. And also it's going to be confirming our uptrend. So kind of waiting for this to happen. Until then, I'm kind of just sitting on my hands. Go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum kind of doing the same thing, waiting for this nice little descending wedge. Man, see, this line always gets erased. I'm expecting Ethereum to actually hit about 275. I believe once we get here, this will. Do we have an uptrend? Let me see. I haven't drawn the trend line for this, but I'm not trying to force it, you know. If it's not there, it's not there. But damn, I think it's there. We're gonna leave this here, guys. We got a bounce here, bounce here. We're gonna see if this is the third bounce here. Expecting a bounce off 275. But remember, this is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Litecoin's still kind of doing the same thing, waiting for this to actually bounce off the $75 zone. As you can tell, we're respecting this nice little bearish parallel channel. Let me go ahead and extend that. And let me go ahead and extend the bottom as well. I don't know why it says bounce. That's been deleted, but for some reason it always pops up. So what I'm expecting, guys, is for this bearish parallel channel to get one more test down here. Expecting it at about the $75 area. And then once we hit 75, I'm expecting a bounce towards the upside. But we're going to have to wait and see how Bitcoin plays out. But you guys came here for some Verge BTC analysis. We're currently looking at the daily. TradingView is the platform we're using. Currently hanging out at major resistance, guys, at about 900 Satoshis. All-time high here at about 2,000 Satoshis. A couple days ago, looks like we found a nice support here that hasn't been drawn. Let me go ahead and draw that before I forget. So we hit our support at about 360 Satoshis, and then since then we've been in a nice little uptrend. So I'm actually looking to get into Verge, but what am I waiting for? I'm waiting till we get a break and close above 975, or 960, sorry. Waiting for a break and close above this price, guys. Once we break and close this price, this should continue. Definitely expecting these altcoins to take off once Bitcoin does find support. Usually what happens is, or what I've seen, what I've noticed when I'm trading, is Bitcoin will move and then the altcoins will follow, or they'll both move together. But most of the time it's Bitcoin and then the altcoins. So that's why I'm expecting these altcoins to go to actually increase really high, increase very fast with these upcoming months. Comparing it to BTC value, since Bitcoin is coming down and some of these altcoins are already kind of hanging out at their major support or some of their all-time lows. So definitely expecting these altcoins to go up in value when you're comparing them to BTC. However, I'm waiting for that break and close above 960 before I decide to add to my Verge position. Something that could also play out, let me go ahead and take out my little arrows, is we could actually see a drop to maybe 500 and then a push towards the upside. I will also be looking for this. But if we don't see the drop down here, guys, just wait for that break and close above 960 and about 970. Yeah, 970 just to be safe. And then Verge should be good to go from about 900 all the way up to about 1,500. Where am I expecting Verge to go towards the end of 2018? I think Verge can easily come up to its all-time highs here at about 2,000 Satoshis towards the end of 2018. But remember, guys, this is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. You guys already know. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed, you have post notifications turned on, and you give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.